Who's that guy?
It's Kristoff.
Kristoff?
Yes.
Kristoff and
Anna. And there's Queen Elsa there, but she's sleeping already in her ice bed.
Ice bed.
Yeah. Mountain. It has snow in it. And then this is Queen Elsa's castle. It's ice. I can't. She can. But she can get out. This one snow is a snowflakes and that because it's snow time. There can see summer. And all of melts. In the front and more. And here. That. You know that? It's so big. It's like that. And another mountain there. Look, that snowflake. So beautiful. And so, no. This is a little snowflake, more snowflakes. It's because it's
So where's Hans? Prince Hans. Where's
Prince
Princess?
Prince Hans is in 7 isles in a castle. This is Olaf. No Hans here. It's no time because there's Olaf. I draw Olaf like that. Just have his man face. Oops, I forgot his nose. I forgot his nose. It's just a carrot. Like that. There's Olaf nose. Olaf's nose.